Good morning, guys. Today we are at the Abheda Mahal. So today this Abheda Mahal is a picnic spot. It was built in 18th century by Umaid Maharaj, and this was earlier it was a jungle, and it was cleared by Maharaja Dheer Singh, and they created a water tank here. So let me show you the entrance gate of Abheda Mahal. This is the entrance gate of Abheda Mahal. This is the parking space. It is almost 8 kilometers from the Kota city. You have to come on the Jaipur route, and then you have to divert on left side to get the place that is Abheda Mahal. This large gate with two small gates, and here it is the plaque of Vanaspati Udyan. It is a small fortress type area. So Abheda is the Apabhransh disruption of the name Abhyaranya. Earlier, many trees and animals were found here. In 1346, Maharaja Dheer Singh cleared the fort and they built a water tank here. Then later on in 1800, a small leisure place was built here. Okay, so today we will see the Abheda fort, Abheda palace. As you know, this is a good destination for the pre-wedding and a pre-wedding shoot. Many of the couples who are going to be married, they came here and they took the pre-wedding shoot here. And this in the painted in cream color. Recording of fear files were also took place here. You can see there a fountain is there. And after that, that is the Chambal River. It is on the bank of the Chambal River. So here is a plaque of Abheda Mahal. I will read you to get the information about the Abheda. Earlier it was Abhyaranya Mahal. So see, this is the in the red sandstone like ऐतिहासिक Abheda. So let me read it. अभेड़ा शब्द अभयारण्य का अपभ्रंश है। रियासती युग तक अभेड़ा घना जंगल था जिसमें beautifully made with. So let me show you. from August to March. This is this three-storied